works at NBC. I work at NBC.
You work with me, I'll work with you.
He doesn't work for me.
Do you work at Apple, for Apple, or with Apple? What if I told you that you're still using it incorrectly? Most people are. So let's find out the difference and clear it up once and for all in a fun way. Stay with me, and by the end of the video, you'll learn the difference and start sounding like a native English speaker. Let's go. Hello, English explorers. My name is Ashish, and today we're talking about something that confuses a lot of English learners. The difference between work at,
That's why I work at the Cheesecake Factory.
work for,
You saying listening doesn't work for you because the hand.
and work with.
I want you to go back over your work with a fine-tooth comb and make sure it's airtight.
And don't you worry, this is not another boring grammar lesson. Nope, not at all. You're gonna play along, guess answers, and even correct me. Ready? Let's go. Alright, let's start with work at. We use at with work when we're talking about the place or the location, right? This is where we work at, right? That's your office, that's your workplace, that's the building, alright, work at.
I work at the bank.
I used to work at the Universal Circus.
I work at the nail salon down the road.
We work at Starbucks. My sister works at a school. I work at NASA. Think big, man, anything's possible. Next up, work with. We use this expression when we talk about the people that we collaborate with, we work with, we share the workplace with, alright?
His unit used to work with the CIA to destabilize foreign countries.
Bit of a Klein right back to work with that head kick to open round 3.
So they want to put him out as a solo artist and get him to work with other producers.
We can also use this expression when we're talking about the tools, the resources that we use to get the work done, to do our work. For example, I work with a great team of coaches and trainers. My sister works with children with autism. Some of my team members works with accounting softwares. Also, I work with you, amazing English learners. Now, in the comment section, let me know what or whom you work with. And finally, work for. We use work for when we're talking about somebody or something that we are employed by.
Mr. Westwild works for me, which means that you work for me.
I know you work for him, but he's wrong about this.
Who do you work for?
Simply put, when we want to talk about who or what's paying our bills, we use this expression. I work for NASA. I work for you guys also in a way, right? My brother works for a government agency. She works for a group of real estate agents. Here we're simply talking about who's paying our bills or what's paying our bills. Now you guys tell me, who pays your bill? Who do you work for, or what do you work for? In the comment section below. Alright guys, it's time to put the learning to test. On your screen are some questions with some blanks, right? All you have to do is use the right preposition for, at, or with. Pause the video here, try this, and write the answers in the comment section below. Alright, let's wrap it up. Work at, you're talking about the place, you're talking about the location. Work with, you're talking about the people that you collaborate with, people that you work with, and the tools and the resources, the softwares that you use, alright? And work for, you're talking about the people that you're employed by, somebody or something that pays your bill. Now, in the next 24 hours, talk to somebody and use all these expressions. Maybe like, I work for Mr. Sharma at Bright Click Consulting Private Limited with a group of learners. Something like this. Alright guys, now we know the difference between work at, work with, work for. And now we are confident to use them correctly and fluently. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel or haven't subscribed to it by any chance, do it now. Alright, and let me know what topic you want next. We'll do that. Until then, keep learning, have fun. I'll see you soon. Bye.